Hi, I'm Janine Piquintin, a secondary public school teacher here in the Philippines. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. To pursue my passion in teaching, I earned 27 units in education and successfully passed the licensure exam. To further enhance my professional growth, I completed the academic requirements for Master of Education, major in Home Economics, and also completed the academic requirements of Master Teaching in Special Education. I have been teaching for over 8 years in Manok National High School in Boracay Island here in the Philippines. In my current role, I handle a family and consumer science and values education, working within an inclusive learning environment that supports students with diverse background and needs. As a secondary classroom teacher, my role goes beyond delivering lesson. I am responsible for creating a positive and engaging learning environment where students feel safe, respected, and motivated to learn. I carefully plan and deliver lessons that are meaningful and relevant to their daily lives, while also monitoring their academic progress and providing supports when needed. I also guide my students by developing not only their knowledge and skills but also their values, attitude, and decision making abilities. I believe that education is not just about academics but also about shaping responsible and compassionate individuals. In addition, I work closely with my parents, colleagues, and school community to ensure that every learner receives the supports they need. Being part of inclusive education setting has taught me the importance of patience, understanding, and flexibility in addressing the unique needs of each student. Teaching for me is not just about profession, but a commitment for making a difference in the lives of every young learner. That's all and have a good day.